Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today we have another a gardening project to do. The project today is to prune actually the tree, so removing all the branches, as you can see, undress actually the tree the customer wants. So in today's video, this is what we will be doing. So before any further ado, please remember to subscribe, give us a like, so we can continue producing video like this. So, but for today, the tool we're gonna need some seesaw, electric one. I'm gonna also need one of these, which is one of the main tools really, and of course some ladder, as you can see. So let's get started. I want to show you something, guys. You can see here the client has some beautiful flowers, so she wants me not to damage them, so we're gonna protect them, cover them somehow, so that we won't damage anything. Just to explain what I'm doing, first what we're gonna do, we're gonna start cutting the branches from the one that are below, and then we're gonna progressively moving from the top, so that the job is easy that way. So guys, half of the job is done. You can see how many branches on the floor here are already cut. So yeah, there are many small branches, and I noticed those small branches are, you can even take them by hand instead of cutting them. You can just pull them, and then so I have now to tackle the other side of the tree. So but if you're not a professional, it's not advisable to do this job by yourself. So just be careful, because you know, climbing a tree like this, it's not a big tree, this one, but climbing a tree like this is not always secure. So this has to be done by a professional if you want to tackle a small job like this. Okay, let's continue. For the remaining branches, we're gonna use the electric saw to cut them, and the job will be completed. And I also have to do that small bit over there, and the job is done. So as I said, this is a job that needs to be done by a professional. So if you have a tree like this at home, don't do it, because there are some you may find some small branches which are not safe. So always use a professional to do a job like this. Yeah, the job is almost done. The job is done now. The trees have been pruned. You can see, as the customer wanted. So now we need to tidy up the garden. We need to tidy up the garden by putting all these small branches in the bin. Yeah, let's do it. Okay guys, another job completed. So you can see everything has been tied up, but I just want to show you something. You see in here, this is how we found the way to protect the plants. The customer wanted to preserve those flowers. If anyone knows the name of this flower, please put that in the comment for me, please. While I'm filming, I just forgot the name already, so put down on the comment, so it's always better to remember. Thanks. So the flower has been preserved, and the tree, this is how it looks now. You can see everything has been well cut. So this is not a big tree, but for any job like this, it's always good to get a professional to do it. So bear that in mind. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. The project is now completed. So thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe and give us a like so we can produce more videos like this one. We cover many areas in the maintenance, so just follow us and we will be able to watch more of our videos. Thanks for watching, and see you for the next one. Thanks, bye.